If you've ever wondered how to access your IRA funds without facing those dreaded early withdrawal penalties, you're not alone. The good news is there are specific exceptions to avoid those penalties, and in this video, I'll break down how you can use them. Stick around, because not only will you learn these exceptions, but I'll also show you how to make the most of them and give you the tools to keep your savings on track for the future. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description below to get your free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. It's a game changer, especially if you have a sizable IRA or 401k. That said, let's dive right into those exceptions. The first exception that allows you to avoid early withdrawal penalties is for those who become totally and permanently disabled. If you're unable to work due to a serious injury or illness, you can tap into your IRA without paying the 10% penalty, even if you're under 59.12. However, you will still need to pay taxes on the amount you withdraw unless it's a Roth IRA. Next up, you can also use your IRA funds penalty-free if you are facing large medical expenses. Specifically, if these expenses exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, you can take withdrawals to cover them. This is one of those exceptions that can be a real lifesaver for people dealing with serious health issues. Another big one is for those who need to pay for higher education expenses. Whether it's for you, your spouse, children, or even grandchildren, you can take withdrawals to cover tuition, fees, and other educational costs without the penalty. Just keep in mind that you'll still owe income tax on the withdrawal. What about if you need to buy your first home? Well, if you're a first-time home buyer, you can take up to $10,000 from your IRA to help with your down payment or other home-related costs. It's an excellent way to use your IRA savings to secure a stable future without the penalty. One more exception that many people don't realize is the substantially equal periodic payments rule. This allows you to take early withdrawals from your IRA without penalty, but the key here is that you must take out a specific amount each year based on your life expectancy, and you must continue those withdrawals for at least 5 years, or until you turn 59.12, whichever comes later. If you're looking to access your IRA without penalties, but don't qualify for any of the above exceptions, you could also look into Roth IRA conversions. Converting a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA doesn't trigger the penalty, but you'll have to pay taxes on the amount you convert. Now, I know there are a lot of options out there for accessing your funds, but if you're really focused on long-term growth and security, there's one option that stands head and shoulders above the rest: gold IRAs. Unlike other traditional or Roth IRAs, gold IRAs allow you to invest in precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum, assets that tend to hold their value and even increase during economic downturns. Gold IRAs provide you with protection against inflation and market volatility. And if you're someone who's nearing retirement or already in it, it's worth considering for preserving your wealth. For those with $100,000 or more in savings, or even up to $5 million, gold IRAs can be the key to maintaining and growing your wealth. So, if you're serious about diversifying your portfolio and securing your future, I suggest you grab that free guide in the description below. It'll walk you through everything you need to know about gold IRAs and why more and more Americans are turning to them as a way to protect their savings. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and remember, early withdrawal penalties don't have to stand in your way. By understanding these exceptions and making informed decisions about your retirement savings, you can navigate them and build a stronger, more secure financial future.